Hello, I'm Shelley Merchant, and I have been a member of Bootcamp for the last year. And I have to say, it is absolutely the best thing I've ever been a part of, and it has been the best experience and the absolute best investment that I've ever made in my business. I actually have several websites, one of which is Taming Frenzy, which is focused on home and life organization, and another one is called Food Blogger Resources, where we create PLR recipes and photographs for food bloggers. And before I hooked up with the boot camp, I was very scattered. I was listening to a lot of people who were giving very generic advice that was not being helpful and it was not helping my business move forward. But during the course of this last year with the boot camp, I have created 6 different products, the last couple of which I'm getting ready to release after the course of the new year. I would not have had that without Jen and David's advice and their wisdom and their direction, and to be honest, some of their hand holding as well. If you get a chance to participate in the boot camp, I highly recommend that you do so. It has been the best thing I've ever been a part of. David and Jen, thank you so much for everything that you've done this past year. I have truly appreciated and benefited.